Happy March, Owls! It's Sam, your school counselor. Welcome back from spring break. We have some exciting updates to tell you all about for the month of March. So up first, it is Women's History Month. We celebrate Women's History Month to take a pause and reflect on the many contributions women have made to the society that are often overlooked. Check out our Instagram at OFYSJOwls to learn more about some of the women who have made a difference throughout history. Many of their contributions have paved the way for us today. You still have time to submit your FAFSA. Seniors and juniors that plan to be done this school year or this year and plan to go to college next year, as in the 2021-2022 school year, need to take care of their FAFSA as soon as possible. If you need help, please reach out and let me know, and I can walk you through the application. On that note, if you plan to take community college courses in the fall, it's time to apply. We know your to-do list is getting long, and we are here to remind you and support you along the way. Submit your FAFSA, apply to the college online, and set up an appointment with a counselor at the college. They will help you design your class schedule so you'll be ready to register for classes. If you need any support at all with this process, please reach out. Applications for the summer and fall of 2021 are now open for you to enroll. Attention 11th and 12th graders. If you plan to graduate high school by next spring, you do not want to miss this opportunity to join our next CREW cohort. CREW is our college readiness program that helps to prepare you for college by walking you through the college application process, financial aid, and all the other big questions you have as you prepare to move on to the next steps of your education. Mark your calendars for April 15th at 5:30 for a virtual information night to learn more about the ins and outs of the CREW program. You're eligible for this cohort if you plan to apply in the spring of 2022. This month, the Future Friday theme is Alternative Pathways. These pathways are called alternative because they do not require a 4-year university degree to get started. Keep your eye on your inbox to learn more about trade schools, apprenticeships, certificate programs, and other options available through the Los Rios College system. There are a variety of ways to get where you want to be. It's best to find out about all your options so you can plan ahead and better chances of staying out of debt while you're learning how to do your future job. In honor of Women's History Month, we have organized a career chat with Latinas in Tech. Latinas in Tech is a nonprofit organization that aims to connect, support, and empower Latina women working in the tech field. We work hand in hand with top technology companies to create safe spaces for learning, mentorship, and recruitment. Keep your eye on your inbox next week to listen to our interview and learn more about this amazing nonprofit organization. The graduation deadline for seniors is April 20th. Make sure to talk to me if you're planning to graduate this semester. Students, make sure to check in with me so I can help you out. You can book an appointment, email me, call, or even text. I'm available and ready to answer all the questions that you have. And that's it for our announcements for March. I hope you have a great day.